In this video, I'm just going to take you through the process of creating a script and adding that to your scripts menu up here. First off, where do the scripts go? Well, if you hit open scripts directory, and if it doesn't, it will take you to it, and if it doesn't exist, it will create one, and it just creates a scripts directory right beside your d7x executable and your resources and all of those folders. So once you're in scripts, you're going to need a script to run, so we'll just create something really quick. Test.bat. All right, and this will give us a hello world, and it'll stop so we can see what it's doing. Okay, and now we'll go to the scripts. Oh, wrong. Scripts config. This actually opens up your custom apps tab in config, but it puts you on the scripts menu down here. There's also the tools menu, and you can use this video synonymously with scripts and tools. You don't actually have to use a script. You can use a custom app in the scripts menu. And the tools menu is generally for custom apps, but you could actually use a script there if you wanted to. Okay. So first off, we'll go to user created apps and we'll add one. The only thing that is required, there are three things required. We need a file name, and this is a file name for your custom app, not for your script. So I'll call it my script. This is also the name that will appear in the menu that you see when it drops down. And we need a path name. This is not the scripts directory. This is a path name where the custom app configuration for this script will exist. That I would recommend keeping all of them in the same directory. Let's call it custom scripts. And our third requirement is under main app. We just have the app path and file name. Now here's the trick. For the scripts directory as the location to store your script files, you need to use the variable scriptdir wrapped in percent signs. Scriptdir, one word wrapped in percents. We'll go \test.bat. We'll hit save. We'll close this. Okay, now it's not appearing in the list, and it should, but I'm just going to go back to default apps. Now back to user created, and that refreshes the list, so it's appearing. And because our little bullet point over here is in the scripts menu, we've got the script highlighted. We'll assign app to list, and this you see puts it over here. This is your list of scripts. I'll just click save now. Likewise, I mentioned the tools menu. Here's your list of tools. And we'll just exit out of the config. And as soon as we do, your script is in the scripts menu. Just click on that, and we see hello world. And there you have it. This does not work with PowerShell scripts, I need to point out. This is only for batch files and Visual Basic scripts, and I should be updating this to work with PowerShell scripts in the near future. Stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.